Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world where art, neuroscience, and mindfulness intersect. Have you ever felt like your mind is a browser with too many tabs open? That feeling of constant mental chatter can be overwhelming. What if I told you there's a beautiful personalized way to find your focus and achieve a state of deep tranquility? Let's talk about custom neuro art and how it can revolutionize your meditation practice. So, what exactly is neuro art? Imagine a visual representation of your own unique brainwave patterns, transformed into a stunning piece of art. It's not just an abstract design. It's a snapshot of your inner world, a personal map of your mind. Neurographic, the technique behind it, is a creative method that helps to harmonize the mind and body. It involves drawing specific lines and shapes that work with your subconscious to release stress and unlock new perspectives. Think of it as a conversation with your own mind, but instead of words, you're using lines and colors. Now, let's take this a step further. We're not just talking about any neuro art. We're talking about custom neuro art for meditation. This is where it gets truly transformative. Instead of meditating on a generic symbol or staring at a blank wall, you can focus on a piece of art that is intrinsically you. It's created based on your personal intentions, your current challenges, or the specific state of peace you wish to cultivate. This process makes your meditation deeply personal and incredibly powerful. You might be wondering, how does this actually work? The process starts with a consultation, a gentle exploration of what you want to achieve. Are you seeking more calm in your daily life? Do you want to overcome a creative block? Or maybe you just want to connect more deeply with yourself. Your goals and feelings become the seeds of the artwork. Using the principles of Neurographic, an artist then translates these intentions into a visual language of interconnected lines and soothing shapes. The lines are drawn in a special neurographic way. They are organic, flowing, and unpredictable, mirroring the natural pathways of our own neurons. The magic happens when you use this art as a focal point for your meditation. Our brains are naturally drawn to patterns and beauty. When you gaze upon your custom neuro art, your mind has a single, engaging point of reference. This isn't just about distraction, it's about engagement. The intricate lines and harmonious colors guide your eyes and in turn your thoughts. You start to trace the paths with your mind, and as you do, the mental clutter begins to fade away. It's like following a peaceful trail through a forest, where each step brings you deeper into a state of calm. This visual anchor makes it easier to stay present and prevents your mind from wandering off into its usual anxieties and to-do lists. One of the most beautiful aspects of this practice is how it transforms the abstract into the tangible. Often, feelings like peace or clarity can seem distant and hard to grasp. Your custom neuro art makes them visible. The colors chosen might represent tranquility, growth, or energy, while the rounded, softened connections in the drawing symbolize harmony and the resolution of conflict. When you meditate on this piece, you're not just thinking about peace. You're visually absorbing it. You are actively rewiring your brain to associate these beautiful patterns with a state of deep relaxation. Over time, simply looking at your artwork can trigger a conditioned response of calm. Let's break down a typical meditation session with your neuro art. You start by finding a comfortable, quiet space. Place your artwork where you can see it clearly. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, let your gaze soften and rest upon the art. Don't try to analyze it or find meaning in every line. Just let your eyes wander freely across the piece. Follow a line from its beginning to its end. Notice where it intersects with others. Observe the pools of color and how they blend together. As you do this, continue to breathe deeply and evenly. If a thought arises, simply acknowledge it and gently guide your focus back to the artwork. It's a beautifully simple yet profound practice. The benefits extend far beyond your meditation time. Because neuro art works on a subconscious level, it helps to gently reframe your thought patterns. The process of creating and meditating on these harmonized patterns can help to dissolve internal conflicts and limiting beliefs. You might find yourself feeling more creative, more solution-oriented, and less reactive to daily stressors. It's a form of active mindfulness that integrates beauty and personal intention, creating a ripple effect of positivity throughout your life. It's a tool for self-discovery, a support for your mental well-being, and a beautiful reminder of your own inner capacity for peace. Think of it as a personal sanctuary you can access anytime. In our fast-paced world, having a dedicated tool that instantly reconnects you to your center is invaluable. Your custom neuro art becomes more than just decoration. It becomes a trusted companion on your journey to inner peace. It's a testament to your commitment to your own well-being, a unique and beautiful reflection of your personal path to tranquility. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this incredible fusion of art and mindfulness. I hope this has inspired you to consider new ways to deepen your own practice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future explorations into well-being. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, be well and stay mindful.